Welcome to STEM Time with Josh. Today, we will be making a water alarm circuit using snap circuits. All you will need is your battery pack with batteries, 4 2-long snap wires, 1 4-long and 5-long snap wires, a slide switch, alarm box, speaker, both jumper snap wires, and a cup of water, and an optional cup of salt water as well. So in order to make the circuit, what we're going to want to do is get our 5-long and line it up with this prong on the battery, right about there, 2 away, and then we're going to get our 4-long and put it right here. So now we're going to go ahead and connect both of those, one with a 2-long and then the other with a slide switch. Now we're going to go ahead and get our alarm and place it right here at the ending and connect that with a 2-long. Afterwards, we're going to get our speaker right here, also connecting that with a 2-long right here and right here. Finally, we're going to use both of our jumper snap wires, starting with the black one, placing it right here, leaving the end over here, and then getting the red one, placing it right here on the 5, being sure not to place it at the ending. So after, I'm going to turn the circuit on, and then we're going to grab our regular water. Go ahead. So before we put it in the water, this is how it sounds, so you know. All right, so the red one going in first right here. So the water is completing the circuit in a way. I mean, it's not fully, that's why it doesn't sound the same, but alarms like these can be used to detect water. So like, for example, you could have these set up in your basement to let you know when it's flooding. And the optional salt water, so the salt makes the water more conductive, which makes it, a better conductor to help complete the circuit better. So the alarm should sound louder. And as you pull them out, you can kind of mess with how much water is touching. You can also do it with the other one. Got a little bit of salt water still on it. But that's it for today's episode.